Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, started Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme. It is a small saving scheme for girls' education and marriage. This account can be opened on the name of a girl under the age of 10 years. To open this account, you have to visit the nearest post office or government authorized bank with 3 documents: identity proof of the guardian, address proof of the guardian, and birth certificate of the girl child. In case the girl's parents are incapable of managing the account, or girl doesn't have mother, father, or both the parents, then her legal guardian can deposit the amount in her account. Rupees 1000 should be deposited as the initial deposit. The amount can be paid by cash, check, or the draft. It must be kept in mind that you can only deposit the money only for 14 years after opening the account. Minimum rupees 1000 should be deposited in the account every year. Otherwise, the account will be declared as an irregular account. To transform the irregular account into regular account, you have to deposit rupees 1000 every year plus rupees 50 as penalty. It can be done during 14 years of account opening. After completion of 14 years, irregular account cannot be changed into regular account. Maximum deposit limit of this account is rupees 1,50,000 per year. There is no limit for the number of deposits in a year, but the deposited amount should be multiple of rupees 100. Only one account can be opened on a girl's name, and maximum 2 accounts can be opened by a couple. But if a triplets of girls is born, or you already have a daughter and twin daughters as second time are born, then 3 accounts can be opened on the name of each girl. This account can be closed when a girl's age is 21. But if she gets married before 21, then the account must be closed before 21 years. The account can be continued even after 21 years, but till she gets married. If the girl dies, then bank pays the balance amount with interest to the guardian, but only after submission of the death certificate of the girl. After a girl completes 18 years, then 50% of the money in the account in last financial year can be withdrawn with the purpose of a marriage or education. If a girl moves to another city, then the account can be transferred too. The money deposited into account under this scheme is exempted from income tax under section 80C. The tax on interest is exempted. The rate of interest is not fixed for this account. Every year, Indian government changes the interest rate. The interest rate for year 2015 and 16 is 9.2% per annum. This is a great scheme for girls' future, education and security.